Welcome people to Girl Chrissy, and I'm back at it again with another video, another review video. I love making these videos for you guys, and you guys seem to love them as well. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to give me a big fat thick thumbs up so I know you like my videos as well as YouTube know you like my videos. So without further ado, let's just jump into this unboxing and review really quick because I don't really want to make a long video. So let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna be unboxing the classic Tory Burch Soft Miller sandals. Let's be real, I already unboxed her because I needed to make sure the shoes was alright. I'm gonna never need to return it, but I'm just gonna pretend so I'm gonna never unbox her and we're gonna do it together. Alright, so we have the box. Should cut open. These are how they come in this, like, you know, little fluffy box. Okay. And then this is pretty much what she looks like. So I'm gonna take her out of the box real quick. Of course, she comes with, you know, the invoice and stuff like that. And on here, we have the little Tory Burch stamp with our little, you know, a little note and the paper tick, okay? Good something them. So when we take off the paper, the wrapping paper, we'll have the box, the classic Tory Burch design. I'm just gonna open her up. We're not in a long, you know, long talking. This is the box. If you ever have a Tory Burch, if you ever buy it from Tory Burch, you have more or less, I go get this or one different color, but are the same, like, you know what I'm saying, same pattern most of the time. Of course, with luxury items, I said this enough time. If it is a proper luxury item, most of the time it come with a duffel bag. Not all luxury items come with a duffel bag, but when it does, it's always a little nice, you know, touch. So when we open her up, of course the tissue paper branded, all of them good things there because that's what you pay for. Pretty much what she looks like. This is the Tory Burch Soft Miller sandals, and it is in the color Gardenia, Zesty Lime, and Sea Bubble. I've been wanting one of these sandals for a long time, but I was kind of going back and forth between if I forget it or not because, you know, everybody have them here. So that's why I got it in this color because I feel like everybody have the brown and the solid color them, and I wanted something different, if that makes sense. I saw this, I was like, you know what, I can definitely rock with this. It's a perfect shoe for spring, summer, and even just all year round if you're one who lives somewhere where the season them not change like that. So yeah, I decided to go with this color in this style. It's a classic. And let me just read the details of this product for you guys before I continue to give you guys, you know, my pros and cons of this sandals, and also to tell you if, you know, I guess if she's worth it, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's get into it. This is the Soft Miller sandal. She goes for about $198, but if you get Tory Burch on a good old day, you can get her for probably maybe 120, 119, 120 or something, you know what I'm saying, on a good day. So it is the color Gardenia, Zesty Lime, and Sea Bubble. Is made of supremely soft memory foam sole for long-lasting comfort and support. It has an extra padded root bed, and it is a standard medium width. Footbed is 2.36 inches wide at instep, and it is slightly wider than the original Miller sandal. It fits true to size, and it is made of Napa leather, and it has smooth leather on the toe post, flexible rubber sole, and that's pretty much it on the details. Yeah, so feeling here, smooth leather, I can definitely feel it. I will say on the strings here, it could be a little cleaner, and that's just me kind of nitpicking it, only because it's supposed to be luxury, and, you know, on a regular day, I'm paying over $200 for this sandal, you know what I'm saying? So everything has to be kind of like top tier, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, right here, I'm just gonna say the thread is kind of loose and it's bugging me, but other than that, I think it's super fine. I actually thought the colors were gonna be a lot brighter, so I am disappointed in that sense. I did try this sandal on, and I will say this is kind of hard and it does hurt my toes when I walk, but I feel like it'll probably get a little softer the more I walk and break in the sandal. Hopefully I'll probably give you guys an update once I start to wear this, you know, on a daily or consistent basis. So we'll see how it holds up. It's cute. It's one of the Tory Burch's classic sandals, and I actually like the color that it's in. I'll leave the link down below if you are interested. I'm gonna give you guys a on feet sizing and just so you guys can see how it looks on my foot. I did get a size 8 because they did say it was true to size, and it definitely does fit. And when it said it is made wider, it is definitely wider. So I will say it is like big foot girl friendly. If you have wide feet, then it should definitely work. If you know, it has the classic Tory Burch logo in the center, and it also has the Tory Burch in the heel at the bottom. You know, classic little detailing of the Tory Burch sandals. In terms of comfortability, the sole is very soft and it is comfy, but I will say you can definitely feel the hardness of these a little bit, but it's not too much to where it is uncomfortable. But I will say also, just wearing them for the time that I did, I kind of am seeing a little bit of, like, you know, my big toe imprint. So I guess I'll just have to come back and update you guys on how this actually holds up in terms of, you know, longevity and comfortability for, let's say, maybe 4 hours. So I'll wear these on an errand and tell you guys, you know. Right now I can't tell you if she's worth it. I just think they're a nice, super comfortable pair of sandals, and where luxury goes, honestly, $200 for some sandals isn't bad. So if you feel like, you know, you've been wanting to get, you know, a Tory Burch sandal, you know, the classic Miller, then definitely go ahead, you know, grab it when it's on sale so you don't feel too bad about breaking, you know, the bank. But I definitely feel like if you do like luxury, you do like Tory Burch, you know, you should at least have one of their sandals in your closet, okay? But yeah, that is pretty much it for this review. I also have another video that I did of the Tory Burch sandals, the strappy ones. So definitely go and check that out if you like, you know, strappy sandals. I'll leave it in the description box below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to stay positive and let life surprise you, because it will anyways. It's your girl Chrisley, and I am signing out. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.